Welcome to another episode of Racing to Learn. We're a nonprofit that gets kids excited about math and science. We're working on our 1990 RX-7 with a 94 Chevy LT1 V8 powering it. Yeah, so that's what we're actually, the adapters, so that's a brand new kit. We're flushing the radiator here, and when I originally built this car back in, or starting in 01, finally got it running a couple years later. Put in, here we go. Look. One of these. Yeah. That it? Yes. All right. So you can go back in. Set it up. So this is what we were looking for. We used the Prestone flush kit that I plumbed into the radiator system. We needed this adapter over here. So this is like a male hose to male hose adapter. Essentially, that's what that's going to let us do. I don't know why one side's yellow. There's a check valve in here. There's a check valve. Wait, grab this nut. Yeah. Got some instructions back here. All right. So here are the instructions to back flush, to install, to fill. Okay. So we want to back flush. Okay. All right. So we actually, read this, Johan.
Ooh.
When I attach this, what does it say? The T-cap, attach yellow end to garden hose. Okay, black end to T, yellow, that makes sense. Okay, so black end to the T. So yeah, this car doesn't have a heater.
Oh.
Yeah, so I wanted to keep it as simple as possible for reliability purposes. So I never plumbed in the heater, and there's no heater core anyways because we removed that along with the dash.
Thanks.
Okay, the engine gives you all the heat you need. AC is a different story. Okay. So, yeah, actually, from that bag, we're going to need this guy here. Because basically, it's going to start flushing stuff out of here. So actually, we didn't need the radiator cap.
Oh, we better not lose this one.
Yeah. Yes. Is this the deal here? You just hold this here? What did the instructions say? Hold this here?
It says, when appropriate, snap splash tube into radiator neck and open radiator drain.
Okay.
Turn on water to garden hose.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, I think we're just gonna hold this here.
Check to see that liquid is emerging from the deflector tube or radiator house.
Okay.
Let's
How
are we gonna engineer this?
we're gonna get a container.
On the diagram, it shows that you're supposed to attach a hose to the drain that you attach to the radiator. I guess that's to like make the draining process less gory.
Wait,
Do you have any tubes you can insert in there?
here?
Into this thing, yeah. It has like a tube that's coming out.
No, that's the gunk coming out.
Oh, it's just supposed
Yeah.
to like fly above the front of the car and land.
Basically,
Oh, boy.
we can do a couple things here because we need to clean this out anyways, the overfill. So we can unscrew that, but I don't know about the container that'll fit there. Let's see here. I just recycled a bunch of
Actually,
stuff.
in this bag, there are some tubes that might fit.
Okay. Yeah. Check that out. Those are just fittings.
Maybe this one.
Boom. So water might come out of this overflow
Here,
tube
boom.
too.
I think this fits pretty well.
Oh, okay.
And it spouts out.
Just put in this under the overflow drain here.
Yeah, so look at that. You should do it like so.
And then just, oh yeah, okay. Yeah, or you could hold it to this.
Oh yeah.
I'll either you want to turn on the water or do you want to hold the drain?
I think I'll turn on the water. Just kidding. I think I'll hold the
It
drain.
doesn't matter. Yeah, you can turn on the water. Just yeah. I should probably keep an eye on things. Yeah. So just turn it on really slowly. Hi, sweetie. Mm-hmm. Definitely, I will. Okay.
Water time.
All right. So real slowly, real slowly. In a little bit, sweetie. In a little bit. We're flushing the radiator right now. Okay. I'm seeing some leaking here at the T.
You want more water?
Not yet. I'm just tightening up these fittings because it's leaking a little. Okay. Yeah. Now we can do a little bit higher.
Okay.
What does it look like?
Okay. A little bit higher. I'm hearing water. A little bit higher. I'm not seeing water come out yet, so it's probably still filling what we drained out. Okay, I'm hearing hoses under pressure, which is good. I'm gonna just dump this stuff out in our drain can here, so we can see what's coming out.
Yeah, the water's still going.
Okay, yeah, you can progressively turn it higher.
I'm just afraid it all comes spouting out.
It won't be that immediate, and if it does, it's just water and coolant. So nothing too fatal. Oh, here we go. It's coming. It's coming.
You managing it?
Yep.
Alright.
And it actually looks pretty clear. That's surprising.
Why are you doing that? You're washing it?
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, you can turn it off now, Johan. Yeah. We're washing the radiator from the inside. Okay.
Yeah.
I think I know what's happening. So yeah, the water's coming out pretty clear, and that's a good thing. Basically, the radiator's fairly clean, which is good. But really, what we want to get to flush the engine out, we're gonna have to take out the thermostat, which is pretty easy, not a big deal. But yeah, it's coming out pretty clean, which is a good thing. Like, it's not as dirty as I thought it would. Hey, look at this.
Hey, not bad.
Right? Yeah. I'm gonna show the camera here. There's some sediment in here. Some flecks. But overall, it could be a lot worse. Like, it could look like, basically like chocolate milk.
Yeah, so worse.
Yeah. So not too bad.
So what's next?
Yeah, so we'll pop off, we'll take out the thermostat so we can flush the whole engine block. So that, so it's right under here.
Under here?
Yeah, so where's that?
Under the intake.
This is,
Okay.
yeah, we'll take out the intake. Same size, nice. Yeah, to take this off.
But make sure we don't lose the clamp.
Yeah, we usually just need to loosen it a little bit, and then we've got one plug here for the intake air temperature sensor, and then another one here for the MAF. That's the mass airflow sensor. So they just have these clips on them, and these weather pack, waterproof connectors. And then easy with this. Yeah, this is a limited edition intake elbow.
Is it?
Yes.
Or did you just chop it off with something else?
No, I had to buy this. Oh, it was like kind of deformed here. This is actually, oh wow, look at the filter. Some damage to the filter too. This is a K&N. I don't remember what diameter, but yeah, it's got some damage on the bottom. Yeah, but this is called the 1LE intake manifold here, or intake elbow, which was kind of a rare thing. It was the 1LE, which they still have on the Camaro nowadays. They have a Camaro, what is it, Z28 or SS 1LE. The 1LE is basically the racing package. So, you know, a little goodie there. The stock one had an extra tube coming off the bottom here called the Heimholtz resonator. It was like, other people called it the donkey something. Real funny looking thing, basically to control the resonant frequencies coming out of the engine so it didn't vibrate. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks again for watching.